this on Robinhood. You know,
I don't think it's on this end.
really good. We talked about it a little bit later, but
So much news already this week. Yeah.
before we go to companies because
It's today
in
Friday.
the world right now, we got who do you think we show up there?
Still don't have any news for U.S. Natural, natural gas. But crazy. I'm gonna go all over. I know I'm good for that one. Yeah. Well, I locked the stuff up last night because this is the high all-time high. Well, it was all-time, but it's not anymore because we've had a new all-time high come, and it knocked out that the top of that, so that's over. So I'm gonna bring this over. This all. One is the whole train for the it is they have this is the right. Knock that out. Oh wait, I mean.
All women shout to keep alive to the alumni. She came back.
But this is also the swing.
This is all we gotta do more. Just having entrepreneurs in the room and hearing their stories and how they can help each other. So shout out to our people that's with
the all-time high in the swing point. Go swing point, you know, premium discount. So that's the top. This is the mid 50%. This is the bottom. So I'm like this one point from here. Just to kind of know, you know, what's going on. It's coming for the bowling. What's that? Good. Thursday.
Birthday, brother. Happy birthday to Slow.
Open just because it's day low. So
Birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday. You ready for the goat?
what is it? I think it's going to go for the birthday. Oh wait, it needs a long.
Yeah. Congratulations before 12 quick. You want to love your pick what school, put on the map class. We massive government. Kudos to Canelo. You know, didn't make excuses. Who champion? A real champ, man. Yeah. And yeah, man, that was dope, man. So shout out to the Bud, undisputed pound for pound world.
Look at that. How did all that?
Really be that no for why people really love him.
Stupid.
Acting obviously he was something one of the
maybe this is the could be there this 30-minute order block. We should call that it is. I think it's gonna come down, not gonna community level. Go down, food here in this also it's a
it's always important.
and
It's really fight with PMD. So we some counter. It's really something that
I'm not looking at my
for that
this one.
You make $100 million, you want us.
I feel like in 9 o'clock you can really take trades on lamb with no problem. So what did what happens? I'm only taking one contract, so
What's the nation bar then? That's the world, man. Where most of you go. Black out, we talking a lot. We're gonna be talking about all.
the long contract there is only like $100 if I lose.
Really, all my
Yeah, so we're going to try to track this from. I'm looking at this thing. We're about to do range over here. It's 30-second chart. We're looking at this 30-second chart over here. About to knock me out.
I was just telling you, we're gonna put that into blackout. That was one of our lives that we did at that yeah, tonight. And, yeah, there's so many different topics.
Forgot I was on this. Like, oh my God, I was doing stuff. I'm in the 30 freaking vertical that the just on here.
Anal, this Sunday.
So, I mean, if you just go through to get all of this done.
It's
Like mark stuff off, then forget I marked it off to know what's going on.
all the way to town.
Toys, go over there, stop bringing your toys up underneath my desk.
King,
So I lost $100.
that's all we did.
Now I have to wait.
I had to go to college, I over.
I should have only lost $100, 115.
You can provide
It's one trade.
you can buy them on Instagram. This is
See.
just RSVP. You want RSVP if you plan on attending.
And it's 100. I mean, 106.
You want information, you want to ask questions, it's gonna be question and answer, so that's this Sunday at 2 o'clock. All athletic, all athletic.
Now I feel like it's ready to go down.
Yeah, please. With that time into that, I got a question of the, before we do it after. If a person, if their child is coming to 6 figures, and
Okay.
they tell you.
That was my
Financial background.
106 vote and 106.
I was trying to get it, and I can hear a terror in the voice of how to manage exciting at the same time for the child to have gotten money to this year. How would you suggest they invest their
I
money?
think I messed up.
Things. Hold on.
Should have waited again.
You know, you go to the profile for it, and that's fun. You have to eat, you
What?
can stock market S&P 500. You can, future,
No, it's two.
invest in that stuff.
Okay. So I'm gonna try to trade the open right now. I'm gonna wait for try.
Video.
It was over. That.
I mean, really can't go wrong with that, right? So that's the starting point. Yeah, I think that's the question we're gonna get put.
That was my 106 right there.
Well,
Going up.
but the question is how.
That was my 106 coming down.
Very fast. Oh, man, that, I didn't get those. 10 years ago, and they go, whoa, I was live.
See?
You know,
Overlap.
well, now you're asking the question, yo, I think what should I do now?
I don't want to really overlap.
Definitely go run it to become 56 figures and somebody's.
But I do want to trade like a quick.
With the idea of investment.
Already. What's that gonna give me? My $200 back? I'm always trying to just get my money back real quick. But this here looks like it's ready to go up.
But if you have a lump sum of $12 for the average, so if you have $100,000, you can put $10,000 a month into the stock market over the years.
So on this book map.
You know, just putting all your money over the top and then the market, you know, fall and then with automatically down $20,000, you gotta wait to recover that, you know, over the course of time.
Book map is about to do
Have the plan.
book map is going up.
What you getting? I'm putting the entire 100,000, right? With allocation percentages that we talk about definitely in the board, you could be rich. I think that was start here as well. Educate yourself on that. But yeah, like you said, all those things that Sally just said, and the fact that they're having a conversation, but then again, surrounding the people who have that same mindset. But the one thing will happen if you get around people, I don't know,
Crap.
they need the money, you're watching people. The same with the stuff.
That was 30.
Who knows? If I could make it to college, but you better see make it pro. So we gotta make sure that when we have something that comes in.
This is not my deal. This is not really good right here. And this is like up and down on a 3-minute.
For everyone who keeps asking, how can I invest in open AI? And she can get the process to this.
I see, this happens bad. But I'm gonna wait a minute. It seems like, because it's rejection. And remember, this is the 30-minute, whatchamacallit, 30-minute OB, I'm in. So.
Well, you get on the orange truck to the iPhone 17 Pro. So, if the iPhone does an iPhone 8, you fill out with that. Like, damn.
All right, I got That's some more money, but around 500.
A lot of things for your any further do your own research. So I think to the extent to be using must be used for information person's own. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investment decision based on your own personal circumstances. You should take independent financial advice from a professional connected with or independent research to verify any information that you hear on this show. In which you rely upon work for the purpose of making an investment decision or otherwise people continue to do research and build community, and build up portfolios, and build up focus accounts. Yeah, so build, let's build, and build together. Let's build together, man. It's like it feels way better when people are winning with you. So great facts. All right, let's talk about it. So let's get into
Why I keep tripping so bad every day this week. I'm taking new instrument that I don't know anything about, and I'm trying to like
share
against
the Tesla and then
really trading
start
right
rocking.
now.
What about
So like that's what I'm trying to do. I just don't pray what I need.
the strategy?
Mm.
Corporate buyback shit. We haven't spoken about that in a while, so that's something that could be potential education for the audience. If they're not familiar with yet. Corporate buyback
Just don't wait.
and municipal company. Corporate buyback is just the company investing into the shares and taking more shares off the market. I thought the timing was really fascinating. Because
We are in the bullish order block, so it's like it should be going up, but it's just like going up the way it wants to go up. And because I'm like,
But really, that's the for Tesla. Elon was taking that, of course, and then
original is,
for what's to come.
I can't hold it
I mean,
like I could if I wasn't over the original.
just past weekend, Elon was focused, and I've always said a focused Elon when he's not in the off-funding state is a great leader, great entrepreneur. With the stock that's as a result, yes, aspiration is on Friday. You might repent. It does seem to stop fine, but anytime we have a balance this month of like 5% or 6% in there, you are going to revert back to the mean. So I think Tesla fall back to maybe 388.52 as him going, that would be a good potential buying price. And another one is at 406.65. But in terms of buyback, it is a vote of confidence. And I will say ever since he left the White House and Trump had the kerfuffle, he's had a different level of focus that
Really think so.
year or two.
So shit, I'm coming from we started trading for.
Some of the
It's gonna be doing some crazy stuff because like it moved so much during the week. And I missed all of this, so it's like, what do you expect? You know, we didn't talk about anything else with you. Because I mean, you know, we're down to you're good. Get free overdraft coverage, they would direct deposit at least $300. Because it's this GWAP right here trying not to push, trying to bring it back down.
No coupons, no cash. Just friends and family pricing for everyone. The friends and family sale won't last long, so shop this week in store. Only at Ashley.
that elite entrepreneurship class, it seems like they're more focused than ever. Going back to the conversation you guys had with Magic, being last 3 years on incredibly important. And it seems like he realized that as well, so he's focused on starting rolling, passing on. So you have to remain bullish and positive, and that's good for you.
This is horrible.
What do you think, folks? I mean,
So it's
so the
so big right now. This is horrible. Why even trading? Why am I even trading? There's nothing even going on.
we talked about
Like, why am I trading right now?
all the threats. We don't want to have the White House.
It's not even a reason for me to even keep on trading.
Ever since they broke up, you haven't heard him get anything.
I'm trying to see really what's going on here.
And that's an amazing thing. Like, go,
This is the top of the orb.
Tell Pop today. You don't hear anything about him other than him working out. Well, I mean, if Elon's feeling good, he's feeling good every day. Yeah, for sure. He's talking about, yeah.
Through the whole app, but it's just not giving.
Boys in every city, he's talking about Ukrainian girl, all of that stuff.
Like, oh,
He's still crazy.
there's so many contracts that I can't hold it. That's the problem.
From what I hear from someone who works for, he's the headquarters more than.
The corporate can't deal with right now because of
So he's still doing his project boy
contract size that I have.
for sure. But he's in the office.
Or the middle
Since
there.
that shit of being in the White House is went away. The whole Doge thing is went away. So, yeah, I'm thinking it definitely need to be that. Now about
Of course, now it's gonna go.
6.6 million shares. The largest single private acquisition in the history. It was about $1 billion. So what does that do? I think it speaks to conviction in your company, right? You should believe in your company. When people see you believe in your company that much, yeah, it usually shows confidence.
Come on, no, don't go up yet.
Bought back up there. There's a certain amount of shares that
Don't
outstanding.
do that.
Shares off the market that very value for their shares. So that's happened. Yeah, I think happened here with Tesla. I think focus when we think Tesla, I think that is changing. He's kind of getting away from the idea of it being an EV company, which is why the segment which is doing global taxi and optimist. And that is going to be the future. Even last week, when we saw that vote of confidence, they created an actual plan to making a pretty consensus.
Like literally not at all.
Yeah, you know, this amount of cars, but
Look at that. For speaking tricks and everything. Every time I get it, I can't get it.
So that the board at Tesla obviously firmly believes in it. Really not what he's saying, but what he puts on Twitter. They bought a whole lot of that's Tesla. I don't even know if I'm right. I'm not sure because every time they vote in favor, correct? Yeah. So I mean, at this point, it doesn't matter. But yeah, this is one of those things. I'm watching this.
I know, right?
Even in the standpoint of Larry Ellison, like that's a part of it. They do business together. They do. I do. I think the comment is very understanding. It's one of those things. We saw all people back now. Number one, they come to buy back. Let me get some of these stakeholders that inside the company and shareholders. But anything happen.
Also don't know.
Consolidating and coming in.
But it's like
Take a vote of confidence. I believe
it's taken a little while to go up. I'm missing it all as it's going up. So
Usually we pull back on C sports, so be mindful of that. For those of you who want to disagree with me today, I wouldn't get it today at that price. But it's going to pull back from the EVA like that. You know, it's sitting right at December 24 now. And we got 4.1, and so it's obviously put back, you know, we're right back at that line. So we'll see if we can break that resistance level. Those are always key to watch, right? You can't let it break through that for.
okay, come on, push through.
Oh, not the old. What happened at this? I think it's 100% guaranteed at this point that they're gonna roll this. It's about how much
Or protection off.
quarter or is it a 50% of the point?
It's like that over here.
The job reports that keep coming back and while they all point to that same idea of okay, the job market is slowing down, inflation going on. What are we gonna do? I think it's almost, it hasn't been forced, but it has been forced. But I think it's foregone conclusion of this will happen. What I've seen now, which is interesting, is that originally they said that there would be 2 cuts that are happening, and now that third one is starting to pop up. People are starting to say, hey, if they may be willing, if we continue on the path of development and something like this, CPI came back trying to.
Come on, go.
Third cut that happens in December. That'll be interesting one.
Come on, take down. You guys see something?
Or
So I had to get so much orders right here.
I do that last week, right? When the original film was
Right there, I know I'm about to push it up.
I'm
I'm trading good right now. I'm just taking trades because I'm trying to get myself out the hole. So I was in the hole $1,000. Now I'm only in the hole 500 because I was not doing well. So
Over the job market is a show, like the number probably 3.5 million.
we're looking at the 30-second chart over here. I got another monitor over here set up yesterday, so I don't have to have the charts the same on the same thing. But so now that I got myself out the hole $500, and I'm not in the hole, I'm going to really just wait and see what's going on. I don't want to just take trades just to take them. I need to see like a breaker structure, or retest or something because it's like, no.
And it's saying that the numbers aren't really, because they down said like, the market is
We're going to there
weakening.
and then
So maybe potentially AI
check the bottom of the orb
being real accurate data.
and let this candle close.
93% chance of win special. PBS is saying
Let's see what the 5-minute chart doing.
in the next year, I believe, or but
Look, I'm bearish on the 5-minute chart still. If you went up there, hit this.
gold all-time high. Bitcoin is not far from all-time high. Yep. So
And then, oh no, go shit. It isn't going down.
or they come crashing down.
I would need that more so for the 5-minute. Or even this one
To be honest,
right here.
I don't know, even with the job numbers, right?
Use that
I
one.
don't know if we're getting one here, raise it to real number, whatever, came out. So they revive up for definition of what's everything involved before,
Feel
and they want to talk to people.
stuff coming down. But what I need to do is wait for
And who is it?
this.
I think,
A break and we'll retest that.
worldly thing, or.
And then we'll say, then I could think about getting in for, honestly, this could even be this 3-minute
Do you feel like we've been over that
for the block right here.
23? And it's softening?
From early in the beginning because I was doing that. Look at that.
Especially given who the office of the soul.
That's all I wanted.
It's terrifying and some ramifications throughout the market.
So ridiculous. Can't get 50 ticks when I'm trying to,
I
but
was saying with, over the.
20 penalty. But this candle right here let me know that that's going to be bullish. This candle right here, anytime I see this candle, whether it's red, green, whatever, just let you know it's about to be a bullish.
Because of only the 150 you're going to.
Some bullish candles coming. Look
Look
at that.
So did we, the diversion.
In 60 ticks.
Even though if
I think it's going to knock that high out.
like, the numbers are being released selectively, to tell the truth, and they're selectively being hidden when they don't want that all word to come out. Yeah, it's a new day and age, man. I think I was gonna stop there, you kind of said it.
I think I got out the hole, $300 in the hole. I don't know why I didn't just keep my,
In terms of when we think that we'll see other stuff and like we do with the pandemic, I don't know, I don't see a sign, right? You have to start something, but the total goes back and you know, they give you 20% chance that's it. And so you go look at the gap in debt report, 93 versus 20. It's like what's happening here. But so then you gotta look at deeper data, right? Yep. If we look at the economy, if we look at valuations of these companies, if we look at expansion, does that speak to a slowdown? Or you just watch the company say we're going to.
I'm still
like $300
in the hole.
300.
That's because I don't hold stuff because I'm used to turning around quickly on you. It's like you don't want to hold anything because as soon as you hold something, that come right around. But since I'm only like $400 in the hole, I don't want to
Like the value.
be overleveraging and taking bad trades anymore. I want to take good trades. So what did it broke past the top of the orb And now it should be retesting on top of the orb to continue.
That's the disturbing truth.
How good that
So
3-minute candle was, 100 and something ticks. Now I'm looking for is 50.
and we also know that
And I don't want to trade for contract.
down over the next.
I really don't.
Yes. So the signs are there for economic public.
Oh, but would it matter broke over right here?
Person is struggling financially. We see that travel is down.
Might be coming
see
back to
that,
test that.
I mean, there's a lot of different factors that we can go through. So.
But then again, you know.
The signs are actually pointing forward. I think the economic, but I'll assess it. I'll argue that. But the question was, we see a recession happening in 2026. A recession by definition is too heavy a push. But we can have all the, like, all like that. Those things are all good. So it's just
I'm gonna retest the orb. Oh, because I'm not looking at my 30-second chart. I do look at my 30-second chart. To have this here, but looking at the 30-second at the same time. And I didn't want to create 4 contracts.
Look to Rashad's point, even in this company, and recession, Target, recession, like, that's the retail space with the exception of Costco and Walmart, yeah, deep, women, deep, no one's saying anything, and what's it going? We were negative for 3 quarters before, and they changed the definition. I've never seen it happen. Right, so that's why, and that goes back to the point I'm saying, it's happening, in certain sectors, it is happening, that's why I think when they say it's cyclical, right, like, well, when it's.
Come on. Okay, you wanna go down, go ahead, go down.
You just brought up stuff playing retail. We're seeing it happen right now, I told you that a vast change that's happening, right, on the other end, if you look at energy, well, that's how it. You can see that that's coming out of what looks like the technology.
Come on, go down, go down.
Not in inflation, but we've seen in 2022 without doing that complete opposite. And then the layer.
Come on.
To drop down 32%. So it feels like recessions kind of feel like secular at this point.
Come on.
That's bullshit. I'm gonna be very honest. Like a sector specific recession is like cheating on salaries for Monday through Friday. Like what the hell are you like? Even economists are like befuddled that they won't tell the truth unless it's for their benefit. And once again, I don't think the job number would have come out unless they were trying to pressure them rates to send the market flying higher. Even like if we talk about like Tina the Robin Hood,
trading for contracts.
AI into Robin Hood deal to make their own industry.
Trade on one contract, but
technological advancement as still, but anybody I talk to that is like being coders.
They just want to or
real
the midline of the orb.
Without pointing out, and it was for still a lot of jobs. Like there was an industry of coders that made indicators for traders. Robinhood just ate that market and won it up.
See, midline of the orb. I think it was coming back to retest that.
Oh, you're right, like that. Right. When you talk about how we crazy numbers come down,
not doing anything.
You have to see, right? You have to see that job number come down. You have seen that. Make sure that it stay down the further.
We don't have any patterns on the 3-minute chart.
They've actually.
You see, we have any pattern, no patterns on the 5-minute chart.
And the one bucket indicator, the entire market is stronger.
So trades, you know, for the full one contract for 100 tick, and I haven't done that at all.
Like all the signs are all flashing.
I think that the market is gonna. I think it's gonna come back up to make at least make a pattern on this 30-second. Like, can I get an M pattern? You know, like. At least like back to there and then down.
And for those who you are working with, do you think this is not going to affect you? Or
because right now we're not getting no patterns, we're not getting nothing.
How far are we? I open this up for both everybody. How far are we from the universal safety anthem?
This is a 30-second.
Far. Because of the little construction in America, but also
like going to there.
There's going to be a global reset. And
Turn
it's
around.
gonna be a global reflection. Really. So then you see all the time you're there, if you paying attention. Politically, the anti-immigration, strong right-wing parties are popping up all over, including Japan. Well, yeah, talk about it. Japan, Australia, there ain't no America, Brazil. This is a global fight back. That's a sign of economic uncertainty and people being scared. Because when times are good, you're not worrying about that. You start
It's like
everyone criminal comes and people are nervous.
I don't think that's really gonna happen. No, it did, I think we'll go, that was pretty good. Did she come up at least to here? Is that I got 30-second order block up there. No, BWAP is right there. I don't think it's gonna go past it. No, it's on the BWAP is right there. I got myself alcohol now, I'm back in it. Trading good today. I mean, this is like my third day trading life, and I don't really know how to trade it, but if my trading know I know how to trade, it wouldn't matter.
It's only so long that you can abandon.
For leveraging, and that's how come I keep on jumping out of it. I'm thinking that it wasn't gonna get past the VWAP, but then it did get past the VWAP. Cause I figured price would come at least up to here. To this right here, which it is.
The EU.
That's kind of like where the VWAP is.
Yeah. I mean, you could go on and on. Then
It's nothing. Wait for price to break for real. So it's like
the Middle East is exploding daily. It's not getting any better. It's only getting worse. And there seems to be very little collaboration amongst the world leaders of BRICS to even fix some of the debt issues and some of the decline. But I keep saying it. For the first time in history, we have a billionaire and Ray Dalio, and a billionaire blacks in a telling us still the ills of American society that you have to invest is mandatory. Even some people are like, well, he's doing that because he wants more views on his platform. For the record, glad that he's on YouTube.
I don't know why people are jumping out of the trade.
European most
Yeah, I don't really know why jumping out of the trade.
the job market,
This is not this time and
even for those who
get out on the so just like
improving your record,
like jeez, what is wrong?
people depend on the
Like I don't understand why I keep jumping out of the trade.
part of the AI will be a closing force to make the wealth gap wider and it's going to affect us first. But whatever we go through, the country as a whole is going to seem to go through a few years later. So I think
Jumping out of the trade.
that trickle down.
I was just too late to be in it.
Let's talk about MicroStrategy. I know people had asked questions about that last week when you had a chance to cover it.
Jeez.
So MicroStrategy
I'm jumping out of the trade.
had a
Opportunities to get what I need. And we're not taking it.
It's interesting because this the other day,
Cause I'm over leveraging, we over leverage.
and
It's
like
like
especially over the last like 3 months. Yeah, they peaked at 455 and now they're down to like 322.
and I need to make sure you never stop. And then I won't have all these problems. I won't be so concerned.
Bitcoin hasn't dropped as drastically as MicroStrategy, even though it's not at its all-time high. Bitcoin is not too far from it. So people will have concerns about MicroStrategy. A few things to keep in concern. But one is that They didn't get accepted into the S&P 500. That was something that hurt sentiment. Robert,
This thing is so red. I don't know why I just got in a buy when this is like, look how red that candle is.
That's not a big deal because he wasn't even thinking about the S&P 500. That usually doesn't happen until a couple of years down the
I
line.
just feel like it's going up to get the rest of this stuff.
Then a few other government regulations and even I think they
Some stuff like it's NASDAQ. It's not
a company is limited as far as the amount of Bitcoin they got to hold on.
really trading like you.
There's been a few things that have hurt MicroStrategy outside of the regular just tracking Bitcoin. But Sailor is still pretty bullish on the whole situation. They're still buying Bitcoin at tremendous amount. And MicroStrategy has always been something that has a leverage play for Bitcoin. Ideally, in the perfect scenario, it goes up much faster than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, but it also goes down faster than Bitcoin when Bitcoin goes down. Okay, so what is MicroStrategy?
I think that.
I think people are probably pessimistic at the time.
I think prices
when they
will be
figured
backing
out
off of it right now.
I've had my post line to share thoughts about MicroStrategy, but the lack of diversification being a myth.
This is what I have over here.
Concentration is the way to go. If you got a 2017, it's a place that I really like it. The thing that I am worried about, which you illustrated, is that regulation of how much Bitcoin can have in the books. And I'm going to be honest, I think it's unfair to do this to him now. Him and Kathy's situation are a little bit different, but I feel as if, and I took a bit.
Now, originally, I saw this.
As a proverbial
retested, and now it's starting to go back up off of the top of this. So that is why, although it is a lot of rejection right here, and it could be going to turn around and make something new. Feel like
but ultimately,
maybe not.
I think they would be okay. I wouldn't worry about this too much. I think people who are
just keep rejecting it.
375
Rejecting it.
They should be, but they're definitely be okay.
This red line right here.
Second fall,
I feel like that's not going to, that it got all those orders. Although it's more orders up here, it should be one to get those.
Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, NVIDIA, gold. People trying to park money where they're going to get a dance in the phone. And on the golf course side, I think.
But it's like putting it down a little, I don't know.
Yeah, for sure. So, if you believe in Bitcoin, you gotta go on. Yeah, you can't.
Just going up. Okay, but it's pushing it up, at least up to here, 521. I'm thinking I'm at least get to 521.
And I'll probably just doing the same thing with Ethereum. Unless you think that the value of Bitcoin is going to go to back to 50,000, I see a lot of those reports coming out. They're dropping to 72,000 and 50. I don't see it.
See.
There's too much increasing on global. It's going to have the deeper the decline.
I'll put my stuff so it's risk free at least.
It's one of the things if you watch Bitcoin concept, you track it with MicroStrategy, you start.
It's looking a little weak now. Just go up there and get that. Just go up there and get that. Don't come down here. Go up there. Yep. Come on. There we go. I think once I hit that though, it's coming down. So I need to go ahead and move my stop even closer, like right there. Come on. Just give me the details. Come on. Come on.
For sure.
Come on. Just give me the details. Come on. You're almost there.
Well,
Come on.
sometime.
There we go. Come on.
Doing well.
What happened? What tomorrow? Stop. That's fine.
When you know is probably good man.
For me to bake, really the good. The way I made, really put it on. Alright,
So people exactly
but and last time I wrote down signs that it's why do you not? How does it do that?
in terms of AI, like appreciate opportunity because of the feeling those are going to yourself.
It's going to,
So really
but I think that's what it's
over
supposed
the
to do.
one thing that it not being a US company until being put on Europe.
It sounded like maybe a strawberry and that, I don't know.
That's what I thought the difference. When you start to get the bottom line and don't know what the balance is gonna be. That's kind of eased a little bit.
This one,
Different man's
Leak.
for blood farmers.
this is why. And there on it,
Man tells you like how much
very clear.
forward. One is that you know it's like the LED machine that
And then the Virginia go wait, and it's
to build
the bed line.
the
And this candle to me is boring
you can know more fun.
because anytime I see this, I don't know what y'all call this. I don't think it's a spin top. I don't know. Or the bottom is low like this. The body is low like this. You know what it's called? Or to me, that's always a what do you call it?
Crazy one up past 1,000. Back down.
Bearish bullet.
I know people
Candle.
grab from 600 from 650.
You get enough picture. You have to sit in this trade for like. I have to sit in a trade for at least. For at least like. For like 15 minutes, 12 minutes, like that. 20 minutes for 50 cents. And then 100 ticks, most times it was like 30 minutes. And it's like, I don't know how to sit on a trade that long.
My big boy,
Like, I don't want to sit on a trade.
sometimes $9,000.
But I missed the good trades because I don't know, I wasn't like this trade for this bounce off of that low of the orb. I should have caught that. Like, it's no reason I shouldn't have caught that. I don't even know what I was doing. I gotta look at my replay.
If you understand
But now I'm okay. I got myself out the hole.
of how
So
the best is or if you want to
do is
market, then you understand
just
the
wait
work is heavy.
to see. I need some more clarification. Wow.
The CEO, but I think
No order block at the top there. Let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah, there's some order blocks in 5 minutes, like right there. It's supposed to go down to take out that previous day low. It'll probably go up to here first before, but I do think it wants to take this previous day low out because it was so close to that previous day low. I don't know why I just didn't go 200 ticks instead. It wanted to give all these stupid 200 here, 100, 100, this, 150.
The evolution goes to that. And I don't know if they have it yet. I don't know. Maybe Apple Intelligence will look at the computer. That's you.
I don't even understand how I missed this stuff. 150.
I'm gonna ask for they can. Go on for Apple.
I'm trying. This is so obvious that this was turning into an upturn at this point right here. So I don't even, and it went off of this right here.
Yeah.
Like, I'm going to mark it off over here. On my 30-second.
Fire. I mean, metal. Glass happened. Probably 2 years ago.
Like, literally.
Did know it happened.
People would have been paying attention. Norway, regularly rejected, gave me from here, just even to the first. But at that point, I started getting nervous about my grades because I was taking so many bad trades. 164 check. In how many minutes? 1, 3, 6, 6 minutes. Don't know why what was I doing that I didn't see it? Back and retest this area right here.
Services had done well, but we have to be dead.
But if it's only going right there, it may not come back to retest that.
Okay, they perform well. The phone just has not performed well. So here's what they happen. They're taking more control of their own ecosystem. But now we haven't
Believe I,
but instead of going out and getting
a hole like that, and all this right here. Look, because of this and that. And I said, what they say, for the first 5 minute candle was that good. You have been using that the first 5 minutes is giving a lot of movements on during like other weeks. It's probably because there was a lot of
but they are starting to take control of the supply chain, which will help their bottom line going.
New fireball blazing up. Shoot it straight.
now you something for it.
I was like the first standpoint, if people with full staff and like, well, the services, I know, y'all got that video, for you. Staff. But you can't keep incrementally increasing prices, like you got posted the rumor, the prices may go up to 2,000 for the phone. It's like, okay, you can end up pricing yourself out of the market if the field is not premium. The hardware is premium. If that matches, and maybe then just how you talked about, I think it was great addition to it, the new AirPods. But if you look at what OpenAI has created with ChatGPT, it looks like what iOS created.
We're in top of it.
I missed out on
What is that? Vegan Monday.
by investing into OpenAI. I just haven't seen that kind of move.
See
Apple and
how it's starting to move. But we're not getting in any I'm gonna try to trade right. Like I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna get the trade games over here. So
on healthcare, it's pretty much that's great for the time being.
I'm gonna get any trade until I'm for sure structure and a retest to get in this sale. But it don't have to be on the, I would prefer that it's on a 3-minute chart because that means I know it's gonna be a good.
No, this is more focused than Apple has, and I think Apple has gotten a little bit comfortable with having the ecosystem and not looking at the things.
For the structure retest, nothing.
So I want to revisit the time.
3 hour. That was a 3 hour.
When the president of the United States speaks, or who the president now decided
What about?
that we need to ban TikTok in 2020 with orders. And with the company,
We're supposed to take it all the way down to here, but that's way too long. Look how long that will be.
So,
I mean, I've been in 400.
everybody's watching right now. This is doing like
400 ticks.
since 2020, I want to do
That's on the YM. But if they put the points on all other, don't go trading, Kevin. Steve is gonna show the points. It's the points. 34 points, 139 ticks.
The United States data for TikTok. People would think that kind of all the data, Oracle actually has the computer when it comes to TikTok.
149 points.
It's all the 5 years.
Wow.
Because in June of this year, they all
He's going up.
want to
Look at
get
that.
more that.
With all of those drawings.
Right, but they did have a deal in September of 2020. They don't get the 300 things more than they allow this year. They don't.
Obvious, the price should be going up when you look at it right here.
Well, obviously, you know, and obviously we know it's more like I said. We talked about the I said number 4 was MTV.
I'm trying.
Oh, okay, why? Because they're treating it already. Now, here's why this is doing.
I'm not gonna remove all my
The
cards.
president can't just have a buyer to fix up. You're not a big buyer.
But I think he's gonna go through this in here. So going for a new high again, another new high.
Power and speaking of Oracle,
I figured it would go and knock out that
Talking town last week.
previous day off. No, this previous day happened. Knocked out. Get that out of there.
When we posted it about the options that you spoke about before, on Elon University, the whole thing, so, yeah.
This portion, the although it can be still used, but let's see. Because it really hasn't knocked it out or anything. It's still viable.
Which made me think, I'm like, some of it does sound very familiar, right? If you do the research, started was actually an interview that Michael Porter from opening out.
Well, I'm gonna just work over here.
With it, well, people announced
So what he's gonna do, we're gonna come back in a little bit.
Microsoft wouldn't do. And so
I think it's ready to turn around.
this is not really fun.
Break structure, retest, all that kind of
You
stuff.
can see now be part of it, open it out. Okay, let's see his ties to the president. We start going back and you see, wow, went all the way back to September of 2020. It was huge. Oh my God.
So I'm not trying to get back in, cause I was training horribly earlier.
You know,
And to
just that one.
put myself in
Not with part of it.
when you didn't have to be doing all that. I could've just waited.
Amazon dominance, we've seen Microsoft dominance. They have one of the wealthiest men in the world.
This 30-second chart, I was in this deep, I was all in this
You know, the rumors that they were going
it's kind of
with a company in the last stage, that company out
stupid.
you know, now with the open.
Was
But
stupid.
and how long
What do you call it?
they became a
It wasn't
of the South.
using mine.
Anything about,
You
you know,
I didn't believe in making us take the bad takes.
maybe fucking gonna be involved.
Let's take it over. What for any is, but it comes and that's the thing.
It absolutely inferred, and so you saw the runner, because the growth that it looked like on 2028 is.
I don't know how far this gonna go up.
So, vertical inside there,
So I cannot call that out.
here now, and it's only going to get.
Yeah, that's what I needed to, the overnight lows. Knocked out the overnight lows, so now it's going for the overnight highs.
So, dominating, right? How just announced that they're going to be creating a limiting on product. Something is on.
Can you come back and retest that already?
They have a
For the trade?
but they're on. You know what?
That's the already. That's not no anyone for you there. The melody is gone now. It's not. Anything. That wasn't good. It broke over, came back, retested right there.
Well, and really have a multiple partners, and we're going, we got another company, and I want to talk about the top 4 in America.
No, that's
Because
50.
some people will argue
But
that.
I don't, it's 50 takes, you understand? You know,
And that.
I don't really want to hold for these or 160. So that's why I have to trade at least 200. Because 200 is 50 is 700.
Far as, or what is the outlook as far as,
We should have been paying attention.
concern?
We will have to do some work over there. I figure at some point.
They're supposed to have around 345, 73. Larry started the best, definitely in that top stage. He really, really thinks to it.
But I have the 2 the trade at 9:30 And a lot, I mean, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to trade every single time you see the market moving. It's like just wait to get a good setup. And a good setup for me, I wish that, you know, this probably could be and a good setup to me is a market structure and a reset or the block retracement and a rejection. Block retracement and a rejection and a vertical structure retest. I need to write that down on the block. Order block. Order block. OB. Retest. Slash reject.
Up 500%. Like, what should I do? I'm like,
So,
very happy for that. Have the plan.
for trade on yesterday, June 17th, 2024.
People can wait. It's dropping. It's $30 these are tunes and on and on. It's only 300.
Was a good rejection.
People are going to take profit in the
I also think that it's making a M shape to come down because on its 32nd,
real clear
you see,
inventory. Oh, where
and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a clear distinction to come back down. That's what I want. That's what I want. Y'all know I'm a bear girl. That's why I named my dog Bear. And I needed to come down and knock this previous day low up, which is all the way down here.
This one, obviously,
I want to take this green off, but I feel like because I don't like all the stuff on my chart, but I feel like it's still viable to use. So
the large equity is 845. Like, of course, you're going to have, you have to know your target. Like, 100% cheap 50, 100. Like, most investors are investors, whether it's venture or
I really just do that for now.
just what return.
Just have it like a little bit like that.
100% transparency.
Certain ways too overbearing. I don't like a bunch of people in my pot like that.
50 from them all, I'm happy. Well, they were in the streets 54, and if we could keep people playing by the mark, I'm happy with that. But watch it, find $100, and you're like, whoa, yeah, he's gonna take it. So it's out there, you know, this target. Yeah, you're not done yet, brother, you're not done. You got that's probably too right there. I'm not there. That's definitely come out of years out. Yeah, so they're talking about out to 2028 with the 200. So that, I mean, what is it? What will the economy?
Come back down. Don't have to go all the way down to be. Well, let's see if we can get a break of structure here and a retest. If I can,
You want to go?
did that.
You dropping?
Perfect.
So this is a dope poll.
I should have.
And then you said, one, NVIDIA sells GPUs to Oracle. Oracle usually goes to power the data centers, right? Two, Oracle builds
Going up
cloud
right there.
GPUs. Three, NVIDIA rents compute back via prime deals with Oracle. Right, this is that money cycle we're talking about. So NVIDIA gets recurring revenue, the hardware sales and cloud services without owning all the data centers. Oracle turns CapEx, the buying of the GPU, into open revenue by renting compute.
Sorry, so where I wanted to go. Yeah, over.
And I think so, this administration, even though it has the ill in it, they're told to captivate literally. They're not Biden, who the power players are going to be, in the future, like Sam Altman will take you right next to Trump as a non-publicly traded CEO.
I don't want to be in this trade.
What's next? The table is on
Three.
literally. Just follow the money of things up there.
And think about the film, and we saw about 9/11. Last month, he was talking about his son, Hudson, deciding for pound. That's a network. TBN, Party Network, nickel, entire network. That last week, they're in a bid for only one of his companies. Two networks in 2 months. Yep. Yeah. This is different. Generation one. Different. Let's talk about speaking of Trump. So Trump has floated the idea that companies should no longer provide earning report on a quarterly basis, and they should switch to semi-annually instead. He said on Truth Social, subject to the SEC approval, it would save money and allow managers to focus on properly running their company. Did you ever hear the statement that China has a 50 to 100-year view of management of a company, whereas we run our companies on a quarterly basis? Not good.
First time in his film, I'll say,
No, you can't. He goes on.
Trump and I'll say 3 or 4 years ago, we should go to annual reporting. I think the cycle of focusing on 3 months at a time, when all of our competition is focusing 20 and 50 cycles, is a huge mistake. It was great back in the day because post 1929 to 33, when we had the crash, and there was companies that were ill.
I thought we wanted to split up to the 4, because that's the next target.
But I had long thought that the longest.
It's just coming back here.
Neutrogena fragrance free nicotine
I've retouched that area.
99% if you go. Discovering a new Audi right now at Audi Bedford. Come see the latest lease offer on the 2025 Audi Q5 Sportback. The search is over. Visit us today at Audi Bedford.
Well, actually,
Make healthy food for dogs the same way you make healthy food for people. Fresh and crafting the best food.
I have to do that only get in when it starts.
Healthy food shop like you.
I'm just thinking, I didn't know we're gonna go from at least 3 to 4, but before it turned around, that would have given me, that's why I took 4, because I said that would give me at least 15. I didn't get in fast enough for hold that.
There could be an adjustment in some.
That's not gonna I can't hold a trade to save my life. That's why only way I have to hold the trade is if I know it's going in my direction.
What do you think? I think the other part.
That was kind of stupid.
For somebody,
I don't think it wants to make another new one. What did yeah, did it make a new high? Yeah. Maybe looks like they made a new high. Yes, trading a lot better today. Again, and they got some big moves. Because I think they get a good move.
So if you report,
But look,
how do you deal with that? From you got that?
140.
I think with only reporting the numbers, I think the fall would be greater
38.
as a result, but if the numbers on that on the annual basis,
42.
even higher.
4 minutes.
And it's income piece,
Another one here.
he's going to do. In terms of interest rates, I know it's a call, if a small company, they may get a disadvantage because the companies that move the world, SEC 500, NASDAQ.
948.
I think we'll be
952 minutes.
annual reporting. And
I mean, I'm not even saw this though, you know.
things really matter.
Why didn't they just see the moves and I didn't see them?
Not planning 3 months at a time.
Right. Well, it's also harmful for, the reason why it won't happen is harmful to Wall Street. That's harmful.
But it
That's right.
wasn't doing that. Flighty stuff.
Totally have going back.
Why?
Used to trading yourself in the stock. in general,
you
yeah.
know,
It allows,
and I feel like
it's like every.
he is about to have another demo.
On that, and if it doesn't work out, then
See what's going on here.
to, change that, or it's playing sport, yeah, as far as running a company, it's way more efficient to run a company without doing reporting at all, honestly, right? You just focus on the path there forward. But yeah, the annual will make a lot more sense as far as
But to go over on that,
what's good for Wall Street and what's good for traders.
Big-
Right? That's just a-
1-8 is the 718 is a lot of orders for years. See, 200, 143, all these, it's probably gonna go up and take a bunch of those all the way to 67.20,
I agree.
and then, turn around.
No, he always put it around.
Yeah, but it's still, it's a big deal, right? It's the,
You need
that
balance.
thing, final thought, where you get to, it's essentially like that, thought for the, keep this, well, you don't get video footage of it, the most important thing you have, way, to get them, the pretty, like, the 14 become December of each year. Right, like, what they do is about, and everybody has 14 for you, right? On your phone, all my 50 years, different, but even the daily five. I'm looking at something, right? If you look at it,
Just the green radiation.
7.5. You have to relate to most from even the data to and it's not anything for the yeah, that's the key with that. That's what's
Oh,
the
thing.
with the big ball. More than
Well, the contract, yes, I'm good. I mean, what do you call it? Thank you, I'm good. Go ahead, go ahead, and the check the dog, right? We tired, so, there,
no,
you was over there sleeping, so good, and then, sleeping so well, and then you heard that, and you want to get up, you're so tired.
it's we got the future.
Oh, it's taking it down already. It would have been good.
Only 32% of
We thought it would come up a little bit more, because there's so many orders up here, but it's pushing it down more and more. They're pushing it down because it wants to come up to get the rest of those orders. Look at what you want here. It's not really much.
You 80 years old, you're doing
We're tracing.
so anything for you for the rest of the so how people want to do
That we will.
it's
Good for it.
it's not there. They way more one of it. You should feel like the thing. Well, so it's now, but it's only there, but I know these to get fault and there's not a certain amount of good. What the year and this doesn't really.
Take some big orders right there, but you'll probably try to push that back up. I think it's gonna push through to get those orders. When I do that. I was too around because there's this big old balloon here blocking it. Here. Like always orders to put it back up, but it's always orders to yeah. That wants to push it back down. But I feel like it wants to go up to that next area. You know, They really want four contracts, honestly. So I don't know why I have four. I don't like over leveraging them. I end up joining anyway. Like that verse in Romans. I do what I don't want to do. They're gonna go get all those orders down there. But because there's so many orders down there, what you did. Like this is going to be the restaurant, like retest that area. I should retest it at least to here. Trying to push through there. I'm looking at Google Maps. Yeah, look at for the day. Really don't care about like the ones. Yes, YM can definitely be. That's what I want to do. But this is my cash style. That's the name of it, cash style, and cash style is the like something that makes you lose the money. So honestly, I don't need equal on here, and I don't need gasoline because I never even trade that. And then I have other I have indices. So indices have ES, NQ, YM, RTY, all the stuff I need on here. So I'm not gonna have all that on here. I'm just gonna have ES and YM because those are the only things I'm trading. And now I want to see what YM is doing. Right now, earlier, I was like horrible. I was doing so bad. I feel like now I'm feeling a little bit better about it. See if it could retest that. What a 3 minute looking like. I think it's going down to here. I wish it would retest this real quick and then I could, I guess it broke this again, which is that there and came down. But I would like a retest of this. Yeah, like that. To take a trade. Currently $500, so if I do take a trade, I want it to be like risk free, where I'm only gonna lose like $100, but it has to be a good trade. I want it to touch that. I would like there's some artists up there. Gonna miss it.
Thursday, I think both Thursday.
Sure.
I don't know.
Everything paying to like 20 trades. I looked at my trader bait. I miss this. Why you? But it's just like waiting for why you to come down.
Don't really be going and go look at the word quickly. It's in front of the out of the
It's like
for the all
why do I have all these accounts?
why they have any number of people
48.
and people with that doing
That means done this before.
going on the highway bill high delivered stuff here.
About $70 before it's going to
So I can do that.
be gone. And that's your trade. Fuck UES. Try to get it back up. Only if I keep it. What happens to
Five people with them, they don't have to eat, you know, from lower, it's all out.
there you go.
It's still being something about this day, so that's 40 different programs, but I think I've heard talking to them. That happened before they were fourth.
What's the trades?
Seven, let's say, 135.
It's like 20 trades. That's not what it take 1 to 3 max. And I'm just like boom, 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 boom. I took 24 trades and I lost 10. Jesus, what is wrong with you, Kevin? Just look at this, y'all. I'm gone 3 minutes over, so you see, look at where I am. 24 trades, 14 wins, 10 losses. Perfect. I have all trades. 70. They said I'll probably need 20. Oh yeah, because I lost $1,000. Got a bag. No, I have 500 more back. Well, I don't know. This is horrible. I had that loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, profit, loss, profit. That's what I was just like, so. This was the one of this thing. I want to make enough bread, but like I really don't have food. So they're not good. Better gameplay. I wish I would have took the trade before. Because I already know now I feel like I was responsible and come to that and reject it. But the thing is, I'm putting this here and here, but then on this, it's already through that. I don't. Why do you have the trade? The things getting messed up. But then on here, it's still that. It's not even. Oh, because I'm on ES. Oh, yeah. Why is that coming on the chart for ES? I don't put that on ES chart. Oh, it's just automatically coming on whatever I was doing. With the ES just going. ES coming all the way down here. A good trade, ES.
All right. Okay. Really? See people stuff, the rest of the things to do, that people stop talking in the book. We're not putting things in.
I don't trade so contracts though.
Well,
To be for contracts.
on opportunity or.
So then we had this year to broke through it. So it was yes, gonna wanna reject off of this. right here. This is Numbers line. Still a lot of orders on both sides for ES. You see, so a lot of orders here and a lot of orders here. So it's hard to use Bookmap when it's like that. Because it's like, this is a big line of orders that it should reject off of. If it hits it, it's not hitting it yet, but there's a lot of orders up here for it to reject off of and come back down, you know? So when Bookmap is going on, you really have to give pay attention to market structure.
She did put like a console before.
It was rejecting off of that line there. So far it's ready to I was in this was going to be $100, so I'm not that. Oh shoot! But look at this. You got it's not good. And that did not really right on it. Then look at that book map. I was just going based off just straight market structure.
What do you think about something that really is talking about? This is about my day, bro. That's one of those, so like, if you put it on a third thing, no, you get out there, very good, smart, you don't have to. Does that say something about your face, or like, are you telling me? I don't think that is taken, you just have to.
Oh shoot! Not really.
It's seeing that people go off of what they're going to do. They're on the back of the world. I think that's the
Come on, get through that. Wham.
point. Stop the plan for it. Then you go, you make up the money. On time, on, that was working. You get that thing working for what?
Only if you can this. Price should come up, but it was just like a level I thought it was gonna break through before it came up, but I remember this is not. It's not gonna just break through levels and whipsaw stuff like NASDAQ does. All right, let's look and see what happened here. Like he wants to still come down at least to the top of the order, but it broke this. And we came back and retested it. Coming back with testimonial field. See what happens on right now. I'm not supposed to be doing these type of things for this. So orders right there. I feel like it was we checked off of.
Hopefully, take over the food. Hello, I told my people.
Trying to bring it down. I guess I was. Lost. I had to click out of the usual. But I don't have to stop to bring down. There we go. All right, that's it. Cause I think I might have to, okay. That's right. Um,
funding this, so you want to keep it, you work for the cause, not the authority of a financial team.
20 is all I ever want to do. That's 20 on ES. That's 40. That's pushing it on ES. 26 on ES. Should be 40. They give you 40. But I gotta learn how to hold my trades. I still can hold my trades. When I first started training, I used to hold trades. But then as they started doing crazy stuff and knocking me out every chance they got, back and forth, and because I do take profit trader has this intraday and pro, and so it's like I can't practice holding trades. It's just going up and down because it's going to blow my account even if I'm in the green and it's going up and down to the end of the day. That's the order block right there that's not ready to bring this down.
Right. We turn off our camping on perfect rest. We also said we can do it. We had the CEO of
That one. I don't see all those one trade anymore.
Super fun, you have a drill, so technically, well, what that's the one thing, so super penalty or super penalty, you know, here.
Thank you. Okay, so then the second year in a row, get caught in Memphis for $25,000. Small business, bring them profit. So, how do we talk about it? Thank you, I know, but we need this.
We should go back up to there now.
On Netflix, follow that, I was going to all the bodies there, all the people that.
To log into this from this.
And you know, it's interesting, I think, you know, the research found it, how anything upload, get out of state, right? Because it is often, you know, see the different companies and against for last year, the grant to everyone, like they build it,
YM, then I was just trying ES. That's ridiculous. Didn't want 2 contracts. I got. You're doing 150.
Whether we're afraid of the I mean, yeah, but all we're doing, how we use the eventually still to, you know, the minimum of strategy, say, I don't think the first one to release to focus, like, try to maybe that's the situation, so it was impressive, so it's.
We're just gonna go. So then it's trying to push it down. But it is some orders right there. Push it up, like
So it is, I'm not considering that it's really, it is super impressive, you know. They found out this later, the guy, the setup security, you know, 30 years, comes from very humble background, and he actually part of the story is that, yeah, 1.8 road.
right. That'll be for real. Didn't tour. He did pretty like this. But I make that money, so I mean a lot of people get $200, $200 a month. That's on YouTube, probably $200 on to 20 accounts, depending on what country names. And I do $200 on all of those accounts every day. $200. So if you want to go trades and 250. I can.
We don't like the good guy or good guy on the
We really just want to do 2 trades out with $500. That's what I want to do. That would be
point that we probably do with the grant. So it'll be like, what you want to do, what we have to like that.
full-time trade
Really.
to make $500.
We did this for
25. That's all I needed. 25 takes. It's easy over here.
How difficult was it to come blend with this was called I mean, yeah, I think that's the game for me to
I really just want to do 2 trades. 50.
Somebody really, really good to do it. You don't know that I want to figure out how to get out of it.
That's how I really trade.
So that's really simply the way where they don't have to be what's another bad because he is really just but yeah, he is stuff back to the
Trades like that.
I was like, I got I really some but
Right, keep doing more crazy, but do a lot of again. I made $800 this week. I made $810 from ESNYM. I traded that made too many contracts for sure, but it's okay. And now I want to trade on my ever trading account. See if I can get that, but it's pushing it up really heavy over here. So I feel like you should want to go down at least to here. You should have 4 contracts on, look for 25. Over here, 6 months because we looked at the poster and no. I need to fall on. Where would I put I would put this probably what 25 and 25 should be good. Although it probably wants to go up again before it starts to go down more. You can see what is it, 30-second chart looking like. Yeah, let's see. Go ahead and push through. It's forming like a W, you know? Like here, up, to go back up. Order for a year. What the hell? It's picking it up right here. Keeps going there and down. Selling. Bigger. We don't know.
So you need to simulate that thing, see if people, they really don't want to go to the race, it's definitely a really something else, really something, hot and wild, the wine was great as far as season 40,
It's so bullish to win.
these celebrities.
I'll just be really reading this thing, paying attention. Yeah, it looks pretty bullish.
Things were faded, probably waiting. Shortly after that, it's closing, right? The time, what they get for it. Yeah. So there's a five things we did. We cover on that. Season one, company now. So they think it's already, I mean,
I don't think so. If I go,
now, really, what channel, facing like that, or did it, if we know that it's political town,
up off of map for sure.
change, last couple of years. They were going on a work shortage, which was,
So it's right here. You could tell this like it's more of the upper lip. Right there. Anyway, well, look at that. Take knock some of these out before it go. I don't know. Big out. That's why you need to have your trade still. The trade and still having the trade on paper. Right. I'm gonna see what. We're just gonna see what happens. It's just rejecting because it is right here. So don't push through it. So we go down to the top of the orb, the 60. Let's see. So where's this is VWAP right here? Where's VWAP? Like 464. Where's this? 423. We pull this over here so that we can get pull this over. See, this is V1 right here. And that is like at 464. And it's all these money and then kind of push it up. I just feel like if you want to come down at least to here, like grab all these orders at 444, even though that's not a lot of orders, it's a lot of orders for YM I've noticed. 444 and then go like yes, come on, come on, come on, come on. Almost VWAP, we just got through VWAP. That's VWAP. I'm gonna give you a trigger, but do record VWAP. VWAP is pushing it back. Maybe it just retested it. Okay, it broke this. It broke this, and now it's retesting. Because you're supposed to get it into retest anyway, Kelly. So come on, don't go. It hit the top of this. It hit the top of the 30-minute or 1 hour OB. So I don't know. May go up now. You hit the top of this 30-minute OB. So I don't know. And this could be ready to make an M shape on its own, you know? Up, hit the top, go up, come back down. I'm not sure. Maybe I should get out, you know? Like so like quick to get out. I'm gonna hold the trade and see what happens. I only need 20 for the ticket for real when I'm home. And it's rejecting for that again. Off the top of that. It's the second time it's rejecting off the top of that. One, two, yeah, I think it's going down, back up. See what this. This is really good. Be holding places. See, that's what I'm saying. I was talking to the to the trading world over here. That numbers are rejected heavily to go up.
Oh, you did, you see those, good.
Yeah, Spawn. Look at that wick right there. You knew that that's going up.
That's well. That back forward, it's like,
Okay. Hold it.
The car,
So, be wipe again, although
people sold
maybe you want to clean that up. Supposed to be looking for 56 anyway, so don't be greedy, Kevin. Just get your little 56. It's keep rejecting off the top of that, so it's making me like feel like they keep showing you what it's gonna do, and you're not respecting what it's doing. It's closing above this consistently. It's like so if it's closing above that consistently, off the field, you away. This is the order block at this point that it's using.
You can start those around, build it around, but they just fire with connectivity and fire. You're going to work ways to reach out or connect. So I was like, some of that was the crazy. But sometimes the best way to do that is to partner with them on the company, so to make your policy more structured, and when you're lobbying about it, you're more distribution, you go in more clear, right? To make it good. And that's about it. That's all about the living is as the training of the body too, right? So it's good. And this, what's the real like this thing? Like a weekend. The thing is, don't have any knowledge, part of the company, I think the people is about
Hold the trade, Kevin. Just hold the trade. Just hold the trade. Don't clean this up. This little wake up. Just hold the trade.
something that really is money.
Hold the trade. Because I put you so good on it. I mean,
I think I want to do that. Maybe
just hold the trade. Hold the trade. Hold the trade. I think of that like right here. Just hold it. Watching it. Sit your trade. Just hold it. Starting to move. It's getting over the point that it was keeping. Come on, YM. You got this. Just hold it, Kevin. You can hold it. You're almost there. It is on. Just like you can walk away. Here, come on. This clearly wants to push it out right here. 446. Or 46. We are push through and get those orders. Come on, push through and get those orders. Give me that give me my little 56 and then go on about your business. But that's above, right above me. My mother wanna call me back. I talked to her way early this morning. She hung up on me. Hello. Yes. For what? We don't even like those. Girl, please. He feel like I'm doing good. He take me out, right? He loves me. And he just be doing too much. So we have to yell at him sometimes. You have to deal with them so they can understand what no is. And the only thing he understand is me cussing. I was like, and then the other day he said, "You got me cussing in front of my kids. I never even cussed in front of my kids." And I told him to sit his ass, just not listening. He just BAD. So yeah, that got cool for me. Had to go on mute. Like, look at this. Literally one take from my thing. What? What? Show me that picture. See, I ain't talking nothing, but I'm not going nowhere. Let me text. What's she talking about? We didn't order no rooms. None of that. Wait, let me text you real quick. Wait a minute. Okay. Now what? What's wrong with him? Girl, I don't know why I took this when I sent him stuff. Then I was kind of, I'm telling him stuff that I was gonna buy. I didn't buy anything, and I was probably shocked or something when I sent it to him anyway. I had been drinking wine or something really late when I sent him. Oh, you don't know. Oh, oh my Lord, have mercy. Let me stop this.